So welcome to my RFID control lock. Let's power on the device. So device is powered on and it's initializing. Okay, the door is in lock position initially. I have two 13.56 RFID card. One is authorized, means the code is added, unique ID is added to my code, and another is not authorized. So let's try. So this is the authorized card. So you see it's received and lock is open. So it's take 10 seconds, around 10 seconds, uh, and then it become closed again. So now let's unauthorize one. So you see nothing is happening. So that means it's not identified by this system. Again, let's authorize. Okay, it's authorized and a lock will be open. So let's what is in a closer view. So again it's authorized, the lock is open. Not so this is the system demo system. This is solenoid lock. I use two lithium ion battery connected in series. This is RFID reader. This is the display, and this is the card I just punched. So this is unauthorized one. So let's try with authorized one. Okay. So you see the NFC reader can read the card uh, from few centimeter above. I found it works around 10 centimeter above. So it's um, very good and you can easily use it inside a box or something like that.